Hi students, welcome to our maths class. In the previous class, we have seen some concepts of algebra. Today, let us see how to add like terms and unlike terms. Listen once. When we add integers, these all are integers, right? Without variables. All these are integers. So when do we add integers? I told you if there is same symbols, we will add and write same symbol. If there is two different symbols, we will subtract and write big value symbol. Do you remember? If there is same symbol, either plus plus or minus minus, we have to add and write same symbol. If there is two different symbols, subtract and write big value symbol. So here 5 plus 4 can be added, right? 5 plus 4 how much? 9. Here when it comes to algebra, here what is the variable? X, right? What is the variable? So what is the variable here? X. So like terms, right? X, X. When we read, you can understand whether they are like terms or not. So 5x plus 4x can be 9x. We can add them. Like terms can be added. Similarly, 12 plus 18. So it is both positive. So we can write 30 directly. Here, when it comes to algebra, 12 x square y plus 18 x square y. Like terms or not? Like terms, right? Because when we read x square y, pronunciation is same. So we say that 30 x square y. 12x square y plus 18x square y together 30x square y can be simplified. 7 plus 16, how much? 23. Here, A and this is B. Are they like terms? No. 7A plus 16B. Different sound is coming. So they are unlike terms. So cannot be simplified. So write as it is. This is simplified form. You cannot simplify further. That is final answer. 7a plus 16b. Okay. 3xy square and you see here 1 plus 3 how much? 4. Since they are integers we can add directly. Now I am reading, you see here x square y 3xy square. Are they like terms? No. X square y plus 3xy square. Here square is for x. Here square is for y. So they are not unlike. They are not like terms. So this is simplified form. You cannot simplify further. Got it? Now this is subtraction. You see. When we subtract 7 minus 4, how much? 3 plus 3 because 7 is big. Whenever we subtract, we have to write big value symbol. Don't forget that. Whenever we subtract, we have to write big value symbol. 7ab, 4ab. Like terms or not? Like terms. Very good. ab, ab. Like terms. 7ab minus 4ab can be 3ab. Understand? So 7ab minus 4ab can be 3ab. We can subtract. 12 minus 5, 7. Plus 7 only, no, because whenever we subtract, we have to write big value symbol. What is the big value here? 12. That symbol we should write. So here 12x minus 5y. Are they like terms? No. 12x, 5y. We cannot simplify since they are unlike terms. Only like terms we can simplify. Okay. 35 minus 16. How much? 35 minus 16. 19. Plus 19 or minus 19? Plus 19 only, because 35 is bigger. Here you see 35 AB minus 16 BA. Are they like terms? Yes, you are right. AB and BA both are same. AB and BA both are same. So they are like terms. 35 AB minus 16 BA can be simplified. 19 AB we can write. Okay. 28 minus 13. 15. Here you see 28ax square, 13a square x. Are they like terms? No. Here square is for x, here square is for a. They are not like terms, so that is called simplified form. We cannot simplify further. So only like terms can be simplified. Whether it is added or subtracted, no problem. Okay. Now you see here the sum of minus 2 and minus 5. How do we write that? Minus 2 plus minus 5. Sum means addition only, no? So minus 2 plus minus 5. Same symbols are there. Add and write same symbol. Whenever we have same symbols, then immediately add and write same symbol. Okay, minus should be written there. Now here addition of minus 2x plus minus 5x. Can we simplify this? Minus 2x minus 5x can be simplified since they are like terms. So this can be minus 7x. Why? Because both are negative. So whenever we add, we have to write same symbol. Here the sum of 8 and minus 3. Same symbols are different symbols here. Different symbols. So 8 minus 3 how much? 5. Which symbol I must write now? Plus. So remember that whenever we have different symbols, subtract and write big value symbol. Whenever we add, write same symbol. Okay? Here the sum of 8AB. 8AB plus minus 3AB. Like terms only, no? AB and AB like terms. So 8 minus 3, 5 we can write, and write 1 AB. Enough. So 8AB minus 3AB. Since they are like terms, we can simplify. 5AB. Okay? Hope it is clear. Try to understand. Listen carefully and try to understand the concept. Addition and subtraction of like terms and unlike terms is very, very important. Okay? Basic concept. Now you see here one problem I will say. Add. First question. 8xy and 3xy. Second 2xyz, xyz. When we read, you can understand whether they are like terms or not. xyz, 6xyz. 2a, 3a and 4b. You see here 2a, 3a, 4b. These two are like terms. It is not like term. 4b separated. Okay. 3x and 2y. They are unlike terms because 3x, 2y. They are different terms. So they are unlike. Fifth one. Minus 3b and minus b. Sixth one. 5b minus 4b and minus 10b. Okay? Seventh one, minus 2y minus y and minus 3y. Let us see this. Now addition and subtraction of like terms we will see. First one, 8xy. Since they are asking add here, we must write plus 3xy. Like terms or unlike terms? 8xy plus 3xy. When we read only, you can understand xy, xy or yx. xy or yx both are same. So since these are like terms, we can add them. 8 plus 3, 11 and write 1 xy. Enough. Simple. Now next one, 2xyz plus 1xyz plus 6xyz. All are like terms. 2xyz, xyz, 6xyz. All are like terms and all are positive. So we can add 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. xyz. 2a plus 3a plus 4b. This is unlike term, right? These two we can add. 2a plus 3a we can add 5a. 2a plus 3a, 5a plus 4b cannot be added. Don't say that 9ab. No. 5a plus 4b. That is simplified form. We cannot simplify further because they are unlike terms. Fourth, 3x plus 2y. This is final answer because x and y, like terms or unlike terms? Unlike terms. So we cannot add them. Remember that. Okay. Next one, minus 3b plus minus b. We can simplify because b like terms only, no? Since both are negative, we have to add and write negative. You remember this. Whenever there is same symbols, minus 3b, minus b, what should you do? Add and write same symbol. 3b and 1b, 4b, write negative as it is. Clear? So, whenever we have same symbols, add and write same symbol. Okay? Sixth, 5b plus minus 4b plus minus 10b. All are like terms. Clearly it is understood. B, all are b's only. So 5b minus 4b, 1b. 1b I can write. 1b I can write. Plus into minus, minus 10b. Okay? You should know this. Plus into minus, minus into plus. We have always minus. Minus into minus, plus into plus is always plus. Remember the table. So plus into minus, minus 10b. So both are different symbols. 10b minus 1b, 9b. Which one is big here? 10. So that symbol you should write. Whenever we subtract, write big value symbol. Which one is the big one here? 10. So write negative. So answer is minus 2y. So seventh one. Minus 2y plus minus y plus minus 3y. All are negatives only, no? Add and write same symbol. They are like terms. Y. We can simplify. All are negatives. So 2y plus 1y, 3y, 3y, 6y. All are negative. So write negative. Since all are negatives, add and write negative symbol. Is that clear? It's a very important concept. Try to understand. Like terms can be added or subtracted. Unlike terms cannot simplify further. Okay? We will see some more concepts in the next class. Thank you.